Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today, let's get started and talk a little bit more about ChatGPT and Claude. Basically here, stop paying for both because it's a waste of money. The actual gap between OpenAI and the Anthropic isn't about which AI is smarter anymore. They are both insanely smart. So instead, they've been fundamental split to their identity. So OpenAI is building a Swiss Army knife that wants to replace your entire browser, and Anthropic is building a surgical escape designed for deep thinking, heavy coding, and long-form analysis. So let's get started and figure out which one can get started to, let's say, be our daily sidekick. On the first round, the round number one, I'm going to talk a little bit more about coding and agentic autonomy. So basically, if you write software, build websites, or manage infrastructure, this is where the biggest divide lives. On independent developer benchmark, Claude has established a clear lead. Actually, it works with a lot of artifacts that we can be using totally for free, or even with the actual project that you worked on so far. Anthropic native tools like Cloudy Code Act is full engineering agents. This doesn't just give your code snippets, it can actually run your multi-file project to debug architectural flaws, output clean, automatic code that feels human written. And the ChatGPT, I think it's now the 5.5, is incredible fast and performs beautifully for rapid prototyping, but it still tends to drift or throw formulaic code blocks when navigating multi-file structure. If your life revolves around coding, I think the Claude takes the actual round here. Now for the second round, I want to talk a little more about creating, writing, and context windows. I'm going to copy this specific prompt, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing with here the Cloudy.ai. So the round two, which is creating, writing, and context windows. For a long time, Cloudy was the undisputed king of massive text dumps, but OpenAI just pushed the default token limit significantly higher with the 5.5 line up. However, the context size isn't the whole story because it's about the prose. ChatGPT writes like a brilliant machine, basically. Something else is that highly structured, predictable, and obedient. This does exactly what you asked without the actual pushback. Now, Cloudy writes like an essayist, and its sentence lengths vary, its transition flow naturally, and it acts like a creative sparring partner, often suggesting strategy alternatives. So for long-form editing, the manuscript writing, or the deep text analysis, Claude wins on style, but ChatGPT wins on the raw capacity. Now for the third round, I'm going to talk a little more about the multi-model power and the features. This is where ChatGPT absolutely realities. So multi-model features and ecosystem breathe. If your work requires image generation, low latency, like voice communication, specialized custom GTP plugins, ChatGPT wins by default. So it literally basically gives us and wins by default. So Cloudy literally cannot generate images natively, and it lacks a real-time fluid voice mode. So ChatGPT is an active doing machine, and it browses the live web seamlessly, integrated deeply with external applications, and behaves like an executive assistant. So if you need a single application that does everything, don't hesitate to only stick around with the ChatGPT. Now, something else that actually works really awesome, which is the round number 4, is the hallucinations and the factual accuracy. So let's talk about the trust. So both platforms have massive introduced updates to core hallucinations this year. OpenAI latest models have shown a massive reduction in hallucinated claims on high-stakes prompts thanks to the auto-scaling thinking features. So meanwhile, Claude remains incredibly disciplined. It is if it doesn't know the answer, or if a prompt is backed or lacked, it will literally stop and ask you for a clarification rather than making assumptions, which I think is something that works for all of us humans, because at the end of the day, sometimes we even don't know what we're asking to the AI. So I think that is actually okay to assume that the AI doesn't understand what you're actually aiming for. And of course, it gave you, let's say, for example, like a question mark of how it actually works, right? So my final verdict is like, here is the breakdown, because both cost $20 a month for standard premium tires. So your choice comes down to the primary pan point, right? So you can choose Claude for software engineering, advanced texting, and nuanced reasoning. But ChatGPT works for more images, for voice, for past lookouts, for the best blogging ecosystem. So I think that I will be using ChatGPT for my daily life, and the Claude for all my work and homework, basically. So if you're a developer or a heavy writer, you can get the Claude Pro. If you're a content creator, researcher, or general power user who needs a multi-tool, you can get the ChatGPT Plus. So let me know in the comments below which side you're on. Drop a like, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.